You've been told America runs the world. But what if I told you that's no longer true? Right now, as you watch this, China quietly became the world's biggest economy. Not in headlines, in hard numbers. And the shift is already rewriting global power. Stay with me for 60 seconds. I'll show you how America's crown slipped and how China picked it up without firing a single shot. In just one generation, China built more infrastructure than the West did in 100 years. While America argued in Congress, China built megacities. While others borrowed, China produced. Steel, energy, innovation, power. Measured by real economic output, what people actually buy and build, China now creates more wealth each year than the United States. Its factories power the planet. Its currency is rising across continents. Its growth fuels half of the developing world. From Africa to the Middle East to Southeast Asia, trade routes now lead not to Washington, but to Beijing. America is still loud, but China is everywhere. And this isn't just an economic rivalry, it's a passing of the torch. The 20th century was American. The 21st? It's being written in Mandarin. Numbers don't lie. Power doesn't wait. China didn't challenge America. It outgrew it. The empire of production has become the empire of power. America led yesterday. China owns tomorrow. Follow for more global power stories that the news won't tell you.